Hi, welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. We are a company that's been building the Blue Baron truck mounts for 15 years. We take a lot of pride in how we build them. We're also, our icon of the Blue Baron series of truck mounts is the Access Point heat exchangers, 3,500 pounds pressure rated. Can do a whole array of different cleaning tasks because our units can operate up to 3,000 pounds pressure. And that's what makes it so special. Even those units out there that are in their 20s, the 20,000 to 30,000 range, can't even get up to that pressure level. Most of these competition truck mounts are all copper core in their heaters so that they do not withstand high pressures of over 1,000 psi. With this unit, the 47XL has a 37 horse big block Kohler. It has a 4LR blower which delivers up to 560 CFM, and the header itself in the back is all stainless, 316L stainless, highly polished, TIG welded header, very well put together, very sturdy, super maxed out quality. Everywhere you look there's quality in the framing, all quarter plate. Nobody out there puts out a quarter plate. This unit can maintain its value because of the way that it's built and the reputation in which we've earned over the 15 years of building. The 3/16 plate here, so this is 3-inch 3/16 brackets, beautifully built. As you can see, everything's nicely powder coated and TIG welded. So we have braided hoses. The braided hoses are something that a lot of people will not invest in their units and their builds, but they last a long time. 500 degrees tolerance, 3,000 psi rated, JIC military style flares for high pressure and temperature. We have the last step injection and a 5.5 flow rate pump, AR pump, which it has put out a lot of reliability, has proven to be reliable in the workplace. And as off to the side, we have connections here, which are for your fresh water and your waste demand pump, and it's got a fuse in between, so it's fused out in between the two devices that it's powering. We've got a drain hose for your oil, for your crankcase oil in your engine, and a chemical feed hose that goes in to your chemical bucket and feeds right in. We have a thermal guard here that protects your water pump from overheating. So we guard this box here, ensuring that we don't get too much temporization of heat buildup, which can affect the O-rings in your pump. So everywhere you see is protection and quality, and that's all we think about is quality, quality, quality. And the materials are not cheap. Stainless is not cheap, but you know, this is how we sell so many units, because we're putting out better quality. Open concept is the way to go. You need an easy breathe truck mount that you can do a quick belt change out. You got alignment tools to keep your angular adjustment perfect. You got pullbacks to give you perfect tension on your belts at all times. It's perfectly lined up. This is just a perfectly lined up belt. Everything here is easy to fix. Everything's easy, breathe. Our vacuum system is completely flow easy free all the way through. The silencer, we use a large silencer. We do not use car mufflers like some of these other substandard manufacturers are using. We believe that if you got a 3-inch inlet, you stick with a 3-inch. So this is where our hard wall, 3.5-inch hard wall hose goes and gets clamped and then goes into the discharge part of the tank, the recovery tank. So as you can see, we still have pullbacks here. We even got stainless flat bar. I mean, everything is maxed out quality. Stainless steel braided hoses on the discharge of your heater. We have a circulatory system here that allows you crack it open and it allows a pathway of water to come back through and into your water box. But having said that, that allows your heat signal and lack of stagnation of heat that builds up in one place. The last thing you need to do is be in someone's house and then all of a sudden have it so that the only time that the solenoid dumps is when you dump it through the wand. You do not want that to happen. You actually be able to walk away from this unit, have it self-regulate on its own. It'll dump automatically on its own. We have high limit shutdown, so in the event that it overheats, but in most cases you'll never have that problem. We have thermostatic control in the front. So everything here is easy to get to, easy to maintain. The panel is beautifully laid out and labeled. We have a tachometer. We have the aviator they use on aircrafts. Very sturdy. This replaced the T-throttle. T-throttle handle used to break. Never a problem. Very, very sturdy. My God, aircrafts, airplanes are using these. So with that, you know, there's so much that goes into building a unit, and the quality is just very expensive to, you know, buy these parts. All stainless pipe, not galvanized. You know, a lot of people like to cheat and put galvanized pipes out here or carbon steel and paint them. This is all stainless all the way through. We have the instruction here, our beautiful trademarked wings, registered trademarked wings. Diamond plate panel with the dual ports. One side can be your pre-sprayer and the other one can be your wand. This is great with a rotovac because your heat is so great and stable and high that it does great on all kinds of peripheral tools like the rotovac or the 360i and the 360XL, as well as spinner tools, pressure washing. So here's your water inlet and here's your oil cup, heavy duty oil cup, last step injection, 3-way decision valve. One side down is prime, one side up will give you the metering, gallon per hour metering. And everything here is just totally maxed out in quality and precision manufacturing. So we're happy with what we've done with these units. And I just wanted to also point out that we have a drain in the back for the water pump. You know, this will enable you not to be dumping oil all over the base of it. What a mess that would be. You put your little container down there and let it rip. You know, empty out your oil and take care of your pump so it lasts a long time. I love these units, and we've got guys that are doing 7 and 8 story units, high rises, and getting still good recovery because again we don't have post heaters like Sapphire and the ProChems and all of those highly concentrated crammed up units that have super high heat because they have louvered covers, trap in the air and stick fans in there. And what happens if a fan goes? There goes your major components, creating all kinds of problems with your truck mount. So we believe in the open breathe system, easy breathe system, allowing you to see everything that's going on, makes it easy to see if there's ever any leaks, easy to change out your oil, easy to change your belts. You don't have to stress out picking a number at John Donne with hopes that they're not gonna empty out your wallet to do a simple belt change out. So this is where it's at. Blue Baron truck mounts, finest truck mounts in the industry. Call us today at 727-505-2989. Come down here to our factory and demo our units. You will be so happy from the results and the performance. Thank you.